Mr. H.R. Chaudhary will appear, my lord. And the matter may be taken up at 2 p.m. my lord.
Okay.
Yes.
May I please with your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing lordship by tomorrow, lordship.
When did you file?
Lordship, it was filed before vacation, but due to some defective has already been compliant, lordship. And co-accused case is fixed for tomorrow.
Monday.
Obliged.
May I beg to mention for listing and may bail application for withdrawal lordship on tomorrow. Obliged.
Yes.
May please, your lordship. Your lordship, beg to mention one DA for withdrawal tomorrow, your lordship.
Yes, ma'am. Please come forward. You are the senior. Talking about you. Please come forward. Yes.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to, lordship, item number 59 of supplementary list bail hearing. Can it be, lordship, taken up at 2, lordship?
Okay. Yes.
May I please, lordship, for listing regular bail application on tomorrow, lordship.
Monday. Yes.
My lord, item number 10 and 11, my lord. Then, my lord, succeeded commercial quantity and DBS, my lord. So, my lord, after 2 weeks, my lord. Item number after 2 weeks, maybe. Item number 11, my lord, we have taken consent on the other side. And 10 is, my lord, is there.
Okay.
Yes. I beg to mention one criminal petition for listing in the next week, your lordship. Pending matter, your lordship. There is no interim in this matter, your lordship. That's the reason.
28. Yes.
May I please, lordship, item number 31, lordship. It's may be next week on Monday, lordship, because of engaged counsel, Mr. R.P. Sharma is health issue, lordship, cannot be able to appear.
Yes.
Next
Item number 42 will be taken on next week, my lord. Case diary also not received, my lord.
From which police station?
My lord,
From which police station?
my lord, Dispur police station.
Not
42.
next week. It will come in the week commencing from 4th. Okay. It will be on 4th. Yes.
My lord, with regard to item 28, I beg to withdraw the same, my lord.
Wait for a few minutes. After mentioning is over, we'll do the procedure necessary. Wait for a few minutes. Yes, next.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 17 of today's list, your lordship. The matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks. NDPS commercial quantity, your lordship.
Yes.
Obliged, your lordship.
Question item number 52. Case diary is not available, lordship.
From
Sanmari
which
police station. Sanmari.
There is an office note. Wait for a few minutes. Yes.
May I please, your lordship. I beg to mention what as per petition for listing, lordship. Last listed on 31/10/2022, lordship. Since then it is pending, lordship. Next week, on next.
5th of November. Yes.
So, lordship, I beg to mention item number 36. And the matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks.
Yes.
Please, lordship. I beg to mention item number 50, lordship, supplementary list, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, scan copy of press record, lordship, call for lordship earlier. Lordship, perhaps not yet received, lordship, so lordship, reminder may be issued, lordship. 58, lordship, item number, supplementary.
Office note also cited. Yes.
May I be the source? I beg to mention item number 19 and 24 may be adjourned after 2 weeks.
Item number?
19 and 24.
19 and
24.
After 2 weeks.
May I please, lordships? I beg to mention item number 39. Dollar concert is out of station. Mera matter may be taken after 1 week.
After
1 week.
24.
39. Item number 30.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 57, your lordship. LCR was called for, that is not received, your lordship.
Wait for a few minutes. There is office note. You can't pass the order without verifying the file. Yes.
At about 35, lordship. Case diary not received, lordship.
Which police station?
Duly as lordship. Interim order is there, lordship. Interim is there.
On 4th.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, lordship. Lordship, leave this before appropriate bench, lordship.
Number 16.
16.
And rejected by which court?
Honorable Justice Mridul Kumar Kolita. Lordship, co-accused bail application was rejected.
Co-accused bail petition was rejected.
Yes.
What about you? Your bail petition rejected?
No, lordship.
Then it's not the case. Yes.
Lordship, I have another mention, Lordship. Item number 13, Lordship,
30.
1330.
Hmm.
Lordship, kindly pass over for the day, Lordship.
Lordship,
Lordship, may I pray for the 16, Lordship? Same pass over for the day, Lordship.
yes,
All right, Lordship.
yes.
May I please, your worship? Worship for listing criminal appeal. I is pending for my lord, suspension of the sentence as well as bail. So, can it be listed on 5th of November, my lord? Published.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 22 of the daily list. Can it be taken on some other day?
Vote.
I've taken the consent. Much of
Yes,
may be fixed on 29 or 30.
which one?
This on item 22.
Item 22.
Yes.
It will come on 4th.
Much of it.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 6, motion matter. Senior counsel Ken Sudhir will appear in this case. Can we take it tomorrow, Your Lordship? He has some percentages to take.
Monday. Monday.
28.
28.
Much of it.
Wait.
You are appearing for whom?
File out the petitioner. Bail application. While the honorable court below has already granted us bail because the statutory period of 90 days is over, my lord. On that count, my lord, I take liberty from this court.
What is your full name?
My lord, my name is not there in the,
Then you cannot.
my lord, on behalf of my senior, my lord.
That is why we are asking you.
My lord, on behalf of Mr. P.D. Nair.
On instruction of the petitioner's namely such and such. Mr. Such and such appearing on behalf of Mr. P.D. is not pressing this bail application according to petitions in this list and not pressing.
Deeply obligement.
52. 52.
Tell the office notice. From 14/2024 to 22/10/2024. Petitioner is directed to take steps. For service of notice and the phone number / informant.
16.
Tarakote Kota. This case has arisen out of Box Act 2000. This is not an application. Petitioner is directed to take steps. In the informant. Respondent number 2. By serving a copy of this bill application. On the public prosecutor Assam. The registry of this court. On or before 28/10/2024, obtaining necessary acknowledgement in that regard. Thereafter, the public prosecutor Assam to the officer in charge of Sunbury Police Station. Just tell us one thing. We have seen from the file, page 15. We have lost the FIR in which police station?
Lordship, Latafil Police Station.
Now it has been registered as Sanmari Police Station.
It is transferred to the Chanmai Police Station, now registered as Chanmai PS case number 647/2020.
To the officer in Sanmari Police Station. Based on. 14th November. On the same date, the officer in charge of Sunrise Police Station to the public prosecutor of Assam shall apprise the court about the purpose of service of notice of this application in the informing response. The subjudicial magistrate. Kamrut Metro. Running session that's Kamrut Metro, as well as the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Kamrut Metro, cell. Here is the legible scanned copy of the case diary of. Let's put it as the case will be. You know, now, case number 647 of the registry of district on or before 12th of November. This is appropriate reminder. The Court of Language is in the list accordingly. Take steps. So reminder to the learned session judge in Borpeta. For the records of the Kosumara Police Station case number 17/2024. Along with the, is there a the records of such a legible scan copy of the records of sessions case number 169/2024. Along with the records of Kosumara Police Station. On the court of learned session judge will do that. Issue reminder to you. As directed earlier by on 8/10/2024. List on 8th of November.
Hello.
There will be officials 19, 2024 and 23, 10, 2024. Just a reminder. To be run a special just within bracket NDPS come to party. Party eligible scan copy of the records of sessions within bracket special. Bracket close case number 352 of the 2011. Along with the relevant case diary of Guwahati GRPS case number 55 of the 2011. Okay. List on syndicate page.
It's a 483 application. Charges leveled against the petitioners are section 376(1) and 366 of IPC, read with section 6 of POCSO.
RMSP for council appearing for the petitioner and MS for her decision for the appearing for the opposite party state. Opposite parties, number one state. As this application has arisen out of POCSO Act 2012. Petitioner is directed to take steps on the informal opposite party number 2. Serving a copy of this application in the public prosecutor Assam Party High Court Guwahati to the registered this court of hearing association on or before 28. Thereafter, similar. Placed on Purito.
7.
Kampur, let it be on 11 or 12.
Lordship.
12.
Good luck.
This will get Friday.
May I please, Lordship, my lord, court. A regular bail application, my lord, 19 days behind the bar, my lord. My lord, petitioners are the driver, handyman, and owner of the husband of the owner of the vehicle, my lord. Petitioner 3 have no role. My lord, only he went to the police station, my lord.
Jalukbari PS Lordship. On 4th.
Let's short bit may be given, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, petitioner 3 have no role. Which four?
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord, only more than 1 month, though the remand custody was asked for only 14 days, another 14 days have passed. Whether custodial,
Nobody seen the 5th.
Lordship.
deeply obliged.
But Miss Adrika have the case diaries on that day.
Lordship.
But have the case diaries on that day.
Okay, on 4th Lordship. Yes. On
Is
5th, no?
This is on 4.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Regular bail application, my lord, offense under section 7A of CC Act, my lord, allegation of taking bribes of 50,000.
SBPS ke
Lordship. On 5th? On 5th Lordship?
My lord, except 5th, 4 or 6.
6th.
6th, my lord.
6th.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship may call for the my lord scan copy from the court of my lord special just come.
Or Mr. Angelo for council appearing for the petition. Petitioners. No, Mr. Singh.
Scan.
Call for the records of special NDPS case number 73 public 2024. Along with the eligible scan copy. Case diary of Boko Police Station case number 198/2024 from the Court of London Special Judge NDPS Kamrup Amingaon list on 6th.
6th.
I am obliged.
6 years.
No, the anticipated bill application lordship for non-affair case lordships. Our report was called for on the last occasion lordships.
Yes, that report has received.
No, this is from Bayhata Seriali. We want a report from Mikirveta police station.
Lordship, earlier two reports were called for as lordship.
That's what earlier it is recorded that
Yes,
from Bayhata police station, there is no such case
Lordship.
has been registered against the petitioner.
lordship.
But the court directed to produce you the
Mikri Bhatta.
from the Mikirveta police station.
Okay, to that regard, we do not have instruction till date, lordship.
Pursuant to the order of the court dated 23092024, the officer in charge of Mikirveta police station by the next date fixed shall apprise the court as to whether any police case has been registered against the petitioner, namely
Semimur Islam.
Samimul Islam.
Semimul, SCMIMUL Islam, son of RZ Ali of village Mekirgaon under Mukirveta police station, district Morigaon. List on 6th. Copy of this order be furnished to Ms. Sachs for her necessary use.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, this is anticipated bail application, lordship. Non-bailable warrant has been issued, lordship. That's why AB has been filed, lordship. Let me, lordship, appear trial has begun. I want to cooperate and I want to appear in the trial, lordship.
Why AB? You could have go for.
AB because non-bailable warrant has been issued, so
That you
lordship,
can have
I may be arrested at any moment.
You have not appeared before the court after receiving summons. Why should you interfere? You prefer an application of the 482 CRPC. Now it is that is appropriate forum. Under 528 BNSS, that is, you will do it and file it appropriate application. Same day you will get the relief. You are not interfering in this. After receiving of summons, if you are evading arrest and you are not appearing before the court, you will not interfere.
Only one date not appeared, lordship.
Doesn't
Thereafter,
matter.
NVW
You
has been
have,
issued.
that's the reason, you have appropriate provisions under the BNSS,
Lordship.
will not interfere. Up to you. I mean, withdraw will allow you.
Withdraw for it, press upon the
Yes, lordship. Instead of filing AB, you should go for
482 CRPC.
third Mr. Sumo counsel appearing for the petition. And I'm assistant to and then the prosecutor appearing for the opposite party. On instruction of the petitioner, Mr. Samo discussing that has submitted for withdrawal of this readable application, enabling the petitioner to approach the appropriate forum. Prayer allowed. This application is then dismissed. With the liberty as free for sovereignty.
May I please, your lordship, this matter may be taken after some time, your lordship. Mr. M. is supposed to appear in this matter, your lordship.
I'd like to point out, my lord, I have checked the scan copy, my lord. The record is up to 27/10/23. So subsequently, at that time, my lord, 3 witnesses examined out of 8 total. So subsequent, my lord, status, my lord,
Subsequently, your lordship, we have filed one additional affidavit in this case, your lordship, regarding the remaining witnesses and the date thereafter, your lordship.
Not in the record, my lord.
That is up to 9/7/2024. The order sheet is there, your lordship.
When did you file the IA?
We have filed the additional affidavit, your lordship. It was filed on 25th day of July 2024.
There is option that I can record additional affidavit. Yeah. 27, 10, 24. तीन टाउन में जाऊँ अरे किमान टाउन
Mr. Parasar,
My lord.
how many witnesses are there for prosecution witnesses?
Total 8 witness, my lord. In the search sheet, total 8.
As per the search sheet?
8 witness.
Now, an additional affidavit was filed, might have been filed earlier, but it was registered on 21st of October 2024. It is available at the case record. And it was served on the public prosecutor Assam,
Malat.
not on you.
But, Malat,
That's true. That's true. So we have, it is before us.
Hmm.
And secondly, what we have found is that as per this additional affidavit, the prosecution adduced evidence of PW4, the concerned officer who seized all these materials. His statement was recorded on 16th of February 2024.
subsequently, Malat, yes.
Thereafter,
No progress, Malat.
no such witnesses have been recorded as per this affidavit up to 9th of July 2024. What is your instruction in this regard?
No, Malat, instruction is not there because Malat, succeeded case, Malat, it has to come through registry, Malat.
At least your prosecution, your prosecutor will be there at Kokrajhar, Karimganj. So
But, Malat, unfact is that only a succeeded case, Malat, it is the, Malat, we may take Malat, but occasionally, Malat, it has to, Malat.
that's not the thing. You should have the instruction from your concerned
Yes,
from the
Malat.
prosecutor.
No, Malat, it's true, Malat.
Custody still-
Only Malat, one information Malat may be taken Malat, fixing in the next week Malat, whether any, after July Malat, any such Malat.
As per the instruction, you know, no witness were examined thereafter, your lordship.
But quantity is very huge Malat.
And there behind the bar, your lordship, since last 3 to 2022, your lordship.
You have seen.
37,700 bottles of fancy dance Malat. Full track Malat.
FSL hasn't come.
Special Malat, before succeed. I have not leg marked the FSL, but yes, FSL is there Malat. As per it is reflected in the order also, Malat, of the court below, Malat, page 33 of the petition, Malat.
FSL is there.
FSL is there, Malat. But what is the proper term, Malat, that is?
The record evidence of up to PW2 is available? Or 3?
Up to 3, PW 2,
It's PW2, I think so.
2.
We have not given the evidence of PW3.
Yeah, so, PW3 is there in the main petition, Your Lordship.
Page 56 of the petition.
These are not certified copies or certified copy.
Certificate copies, Your Lordship.
Because. Heard Mr. Ray's Lobster Council appearing for the petition. And Mr. K. Parasar. And CGC,
Additional people.
and additional public prosecutor. For the petitioners, likely. Opposite party state. Agodan petitioners, Duzonas. Pursuant to the order of the court dated 15/12/2023. Lawrence Special Judge Odin Beckett NDPS Karimganj forwarded scanned copy of the records of Special Odin Beckett NDPS bracket close case number 16/2022 along with the records of Bodorpur Police Station case number 35/2022 to 07/10/2023 containing the evidence of prosecution witnesses number 1 and 2. The call for the up-to-date records of Special Odin Beckett NDPS case number 16/2022 from the Court of London Special Judge Odin Beckett NDPS. Case number 16/2022. Scan legible copy of the records of Special NDPS case number NDPS to Kali video table 16/2022 from the Court of London Special Judge Odin Beckett NDPS bracket close Karimganj containing the evidence of PW prosecution witness number 3 onwards. Recorded up to 30th October. List on 12th November. Registry shall immediately inform the special judge Odin Beckett NDPS plus Karimganj in that field.
May I please, Your Lordship. 439 bail application, Your Lordship.
In this case, your lordship charge has been submitted. I scan copy. Evidence to Luana, huh? Evidence of evidence of
Ms. Sharma, you have a referring as a
Yes, sir.
not a
for the informant.
in this case, my lord, girl is of 14 years old and she became pregnant. And charges were framed on 8th of January 24 and the 6th of October. Now, still the case is on evidence stage. No witness examined till date, my lord. No witness examined till date, my lord. At least, girl's statement, victim girl's statement and informant statement is very much necessary, my lord. Lordship, as per CS, your lordship. May I submit?
Hold on, we'll come back to you. Please take your seats.
Lordship. Date of birth, 4/12/09. There are the space. Era also Tasman Avenue.
Charge sheet is not available.
Charge sheet submitted on Malat 31/10/23.
Oh, charge sheet was.
Lordship, this charge sheet, first charge sheet, your lordship. Subsequent charge sheet has been filed.
Only Malat that as the girl was pregnant, Malat DNA test was not conducted. Because of that, I was said that without the DNA test, the charge sheet has been submitted. Otherwise, all has come, my lord.
But the victim girl has given birth to baby
Absolutely.
My lord,
at 14 years.
14,
And,
my lord, on the date of FIR, she was 13 years, 10 days, 13 years, 10 months. And incident is prior to that, as she was suffering from stomach pain, she was. So, my lord,
While she was 13 years of age, the incident occurred.
yes, my lord.
And then by the time 14, she has given delivery of a baby. But thing is this, thereafter the sample of the
DNA.
blood of the
Yeah.
accused was collected and it was sent for DNA profile. What happened, we do not know. That is not available in this case.
Yes, and that part is not clear.
And
So, the doctor's evidence and at least the evidence of the girl and the informant. Very much.
Mr. Parasar, you tell us whether that report has come from the FSL or not regarding the DNA test that you have to inform us, or whether it has been submitted before the second charge sheet was filed when?
Not
Not
yet.
filed. Then you have to inform us in that way.
Well, my lord.
If it is before the court, we can call for the record, but you have to tell us.
But I will again, my lord, check if there is something, my lord, then to that extent, my lord. And one fact is that, my lord, he has not disputed the, my lord, fact, my lord, regarding
That is
DNA test,
question
yes.
of disputing the thing doesn't arise.
Oh, yes, my lord.
This is a bail petition.
Absolutely.
Without the DNA test also, my lord, allegation of POCSO, my lord, her, my lord, witness, her version is very much necessary.
But what we have found, the victim very specifically mentioned under 181 BNSS or also under the
164.
earlier CRPC statement, 164 and this 161 CRPC. That the accused have video recorded the obscene act.
Yes,
But from the record we have seen, during investigation, police did not seize no representation on behalf of the petitioner on call. Though names of three councils have been reflected in the cause list. List in the week commencing from 4th of November. Yes, ma'am, do you have the up-to-date case data?
Lordship, that we have not received, Lordship, with the FSL report is awaited.
FSL report is required. It is just called
That is awaited.
last order.
When it was sent for?
Lordship, it was sent on 9/6/2024, Lordship. With the SP office, Lordship. And it is up to, Lordship, 10/6/2024. We need the up-to-date case, sorry, along with that.
It's not up to date.
Lordship,
It's not only 10/6.
10/6, Lordship. And petitioner behind the bar as on today, 139 days.
139.
Maximum is 180.
180, Lordship. NDPS 21C, Lordship, commercial quantity. Otherwise, it's admitted fact, the petitioner himself admitted that he is engaged in illegal supplies of drugs, lordship.
Pursuant to the order dated 16/09/2024. Passed earlier in this application. Investigating officer of North Lakhimpur Police Station, case number 152/2024. Corresponding to GR number 400/2024. Shall submit the up-to-date case diary along with the FSL report on the next date fixed. Failing which, the court shall consider to pass consequential order against the erring investigating officer of the case. Placed on 19/11/2024.
Obliged.
Copy of this order be furnished to such and such for her necessary use. Obliged. Ms. Hazarika, do you have direct contact with the officer inside or the SP?
Lordship, I have not, till date, I have not contact with them, lordship.
No, that's the reason. Whether in your office.
Yes.
You directly contact the concerned.
The OC, lordship.
You have any special officer in your office or? you
No, we
contact?
have to contact by ourselves, and sometimes our office, beyond they have bureaus, they have used to contact with the OC, but they,
But it
most of
appears
them
if it
did-
was an order of September. The
Yes.
case diary hasn't been taken back.
yes,
Case diary is still with you.
yes, that has to be sent back, lordship.
But they should collect this, their case diary and they should,
Yes, lordship, that has to be sent back,
okay, otherwise we'll pass the necessary order.
lordship, lordship.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, is an application under section 483 BNSS. Lordship, I'm behind bars for 144 days now. Lordship, the FIR will be on page number.
20,
Page number 20.
220, my lord, Sashit submitted, my lord.
Actually submitted.
you have the information.
My lord,
This is in Bazari Chera PS case.
yes, my lord, Bajasura 100/24, Sashit dated, Sashit number is 120/24, dated 10/9/24.
120.
120/24, dated 10/9/24.
Heard Mr. Eki, counsel appearing for the petition. Not Eki. You are Mr. Mitra.
Lordship, after 10/9, the case was listed on 28/9. Lordship, that point of time it was not.
That
charged.
was not
information was
informed,
not-
my lord. Now we got the signal, my lord, on
Information was not there.
Lordship.
October 17, we have got them. 17 October. that's right.
Because SK Mitra. S Mitra.
S. Mitra.
Appearing for the petition. And Mr. KK Parasar, and additional public prosecutor appearing for state rescue. By this resolution and section 483. PNSS 2023. The petitioner has prayed for his bail. In Bajari Chera Police Station, case number 100/2024. Under section 22 in bracket C, capital C. Bracket close, /25/29 of the NDPS Act 1985. Corresponding to GR number 1084/2024. That's the plan. Special within bracket NDPS case number 61/2024. In which he was arrested on 02/06/2024 and in custody since then. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. K. Parasar and additional public prosecutor on instructions submitted that police, after investigating the matter,
31 pass.
on 10/09/2024 submitted the search sheet inside Bazari Sara PS case number 100/2024 by charge sheet number 120/20.
21 to 9, 21 to another date.
In view of the above, petitioner is directed to approach the appropriate forum for his regular bail. They have also certain such this status. So
Lordship, this is also application number 39. Lordship, behind the bar for 143 days.
Mr. Parag,
I'm sorry, my lord, today CD not yet received, my lord.
Lordship, the case was last heard on 13/9 and there's the updated case diary was called for.
Yes, my lord.
So Lordship, may I kindly have a short date?
Commercial quantity, my lord.
Lordship, next week, 20th of October.
28 not possible, my lord. My lord, my fix on 5th.
Lordship, not 5th. Lordship, 29th, before the Diwali vacation.
Today is 24 from Bazar. According to it will not come.
29th.
Take that one. Our signature will go tomorrow. night.
Because Lordship, the only problem is that the accused petitioner is a driver of a reputed courier company. And Lordship, this court in a number of judgments has held that the rigors of section 37 will not be applicable on drivers of couriers who are not aware of the contents of their materials, Lordship.
It's okay, then. It's already good. আমি একদিন আগত মাতো আমি একদিন আমি কাম সারি আমি একদিন আগত মাতো তো পিছন ফিট
pursuant to the order of the court dated 13/09/2024. On the next date fixed, the investigating officer of Bazari Sara PS case number 99/2024 shall submit the up-to-date case diary along with the FSL report. Failing which, the concerned investigating officer of the case have to personally remain present before the court on the said date. List on
5th, madam.
Eighth of November.
Obliged, Lordship.
Copy of this order to Mr. for this necessary. use.
23, my lord, I'm sorry, my lord, B. Sharma has gone through, my lord, maybe after some time, he's in election, put number 7, my lord.
Who will appear? B. Sharma.
B. Sharma, after some time.
Obliged. 25 same, my lord.
Huh?
23 and 25, my lord, from
Oh,
same affair, my lord.
Twenty-six, sorry, my
May I
lord.
please, your lordship? Lordship, this is the second occasion, lordship, CD was called for. Lordship,
CD not received, my lord.
Lordship, I have been behind the bars for last 80 days, lordship. I was arrested on 5/8/2024, lordship.
Oxo 6, my lord. Notice.
Offense is 107/35 of BNS, radio section 6 of the POCSO Act, lordship.
Regarding service, my lord. Service completion.
Yes, sir. I have taken a step on 2/9/2024, lordship.
and it was sent via memo number 2049 dated 3/9/2024. And 90 days is the maximum period, Lordship. For the stated period is 90 days, Lordship. Now, whereas I have been behind the bars for last 80 days, Lordship. Offense is abatement of suicide, Lordship. In fact, Lordship, there had been in existence love relation between the petitioner. The petitioner is also, Lordship, 19 years, Lordship. He has just completed 18 years. And so for the statements of the affair is concerned, Lordship, the age of the victim is 16 years, Lordship. But there had been love relation between the parties, Lordship. And due to some cruelties by the father of the deceased victim, Lordship, she committed suicide, Lordship. And father did not have any concern, Lordship, with such relation with of his daughter with the petitioner, Lordship. There, Lordship, kindly considering the length of detention, Lordship, I may be allowed, Lordship.
One last chance may be given on 29, my lord. On Tuesday, my lord.
List on fourth. On the said date, the officer in charge of Golokganj Police Station shall apprise the, through the public prosecutor Assam shall apprise the court about the service of notice of this bail application on the informant opposite party number 2. Status of service of notice. Further, next word. On the said date, I on such the investigating officer of Golokganj PS case number 166 of the 2024 shall produce the case diary, accurate case diary along with the FSL as well as postmortem report of the deceased, failing which he has to personally remain present before this court. Considering the fact that the court earlier on 29/08/2024 called for the relevant case diary. Full stop. On 18/9/2024 as well as today, the additional public prosecutor prayed for time as the concerned investigating officer failed to produce the relevant case diary and the necessary reports. List accordingly on such instances. Copy of this order.
Much obliged, Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, in this matter, search sheet is filed, Lordship.
Do you have the number?
Yes, search sheet number is not, Lordship. I can provide the case number, Lordship. Pending before the additional.
What is your report? You don't know.
We have no instruction.
Why, Mr. Parasar, what is the difficulties? Why not even place these informations by the
Yes,
concerned?
my lord, in
What actions are you taking with the government? After all, you have the superpower being the public prosecutors.
my lord, we now.
Remember, you have been appointed by the High Court,
My lord, yes, my
right?
lord. Yes, my lord.
So you have those powers. If you're not exercising, don't be a just puppet of the under front of these officers.
My lord,
You are supposed to adjudicate the court.
Home our instruction has been gone, my lord, on signal has been gone on 19/9/24.
This is not, you have tremendous powers. If you're not exercising that, we cannot help you.
We have sent the signal, but not the signal.
No, Parasar, this is not the
My
way.
lord,
You have to exercise your power.
my lord,
And see, your recommendations are sent by the government, only then the Chief Justice of us gives it that.
definitely.
Not formally appointed like this, you've been appointed by the High Court. You're not like standing counsels of the departments. Heard Mr. P.J. Dutta, London Council appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. K.K. Parasol and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. By this application under section 483B and 2023, petitioner namely Nayaz Ahmed.
मतलब sorry to interrupt, मतलब if मतलब it's from Guwahati GRPS, मतलब maybe take it to मतलब I'll apply if the success number is there.
In Guwahati GRPS case number
Or
1.
maybe मतलब through WhatsApp also मतलब they may send मतलब if succeeded.
You must have your own mechanism, Mr. Parasol. The court will not say what kind of mechanism we have to apply.
Yes, मतलब.
Corresponding to GR 3340/2024. In which you are arrested. When you were arrested on 808062024. And is in custody since then. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Dr. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that that after investigation of said such and such case, police have already submitted the search sheet in the matter. And in that view, and as such, he is not pressing this application on instruction of the petitioner. Accordingly, this bill application stands closed. Will not press.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. My lord, out of the same affair, another matter has been fixed for tomorrow at court number 18, your lordship. My humble prayer for your lordship,
To the city not people.
this matter may be taken up tomorrow along with that matter, your lordship. Bail application number 2754, 2024.
On the prayer be counsel for the petitioner list this bill application along with BA 2754/2024.
Much obliged, your lordship.
May I please allow? City has been called for your last second.
What happened, Mr. Parasol?
We have sent a signal 29.
Perhaps this matter has been transferred to CBI.
Oh, yes. Gita Nagar, yes.
You won't say that you verify and tell us at 2 o'clock.
I have verified from the list one.
I was informed by the department also.
Even this case.
Yes, item number 30. I was instructed to take time, 1 week time.
Your good name?
Zedas Lakshmi.
Pardon, Mr. Jada's counsel appearing for the petition. Mr. K. Parasol and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state respondent. During deliberation of the matter, it is submitted that that Gitanagar PS Police Station case number 174/2024 involved in the present bill application has already been handed over to the CBI. Full stop. Petitioner is directed to serve a copy of this application in the standing council CBI on or before 28/10/2024, obtaining necessary acknowledgement from the said authority in the applicant. List on
4th November, Lordship. 4th November, Lordship. Can it be on 5th, Lordship? 5th, Lordship.
other cases of
Perhaps,
fiction.
Lordship, 49 days already over, as calculated, Lordship.
Okay,
Therefore,
on 4th.
mandatory 4th,
4/11. Register shall reflect the name of standing council CBI. Under respondent column. Receipt it. Mr. M. Halu, standing council CBI, has entered evidence on behalf of
Monday.
the respondents.
Mandatory bill, which is default bill.
Lekha.
It is here.
List on 4.
No, okay.
On the stage, judge.
Multiple requests, I will.
11 case diary of Britannia PS case number 174 of April. Cyber case. Okay.
Eight, your lordship, 483 application lordship, already 44 days behind the bar lordship. FI is at page, lordship 8.
Here also CD not received.
Already 44 days lordship.
Mr. Haloi,
Lordship, this case is not transferred to CBI lordship. I have the list.
whether this case has been.
I have the list. This case is not.
Same.
Same lordship, but this case is not transferred.
Polasbari কিমান? না লিসা মতো রাখো Polasbari কিমান এটা?
Number 2.
324.
325.
Malad, yes, this case is not in the list, Malad.
Okay, pursuant to the order of the court dated 4/10/2024, the investigating officer of Polasbari Police Station, case number 325/2024, shall produce the up-to-date case diary on four 11. Just accordingly. Therefore, consequences of the adding of.
Name, please, your lordship.
Yes, which is.
483 application, my lord, petitioner behind the bar about 37 days.
So,
FIR page, my lord, 1, my lord.
what are the materials?
11.
The materials for further custodial detention? It's more than a month.
My lord,
37.
Tell us.
my lord, he is the broker of my lord, of the particular bank, my lord.
Mr. Sharma, just tell us whether his further custodial detention is required or not.
My lord, his custody is required, my lord, because he has communicated with so many persons. And he, my lord, the statement of some persons are there, though, my lord, my lord took money and help in getting loan from that, my lord, bank. So, my lord, there is yet some other persons, my lord, those who are, my lord, to be
Same
exact.
FIR, ma'am, yesterday also, I think we have there are 3 persons, right? There are 3 persons. The other 2 accused we have, yesterday or day before, you produced this case diary, I remember.
Yes, it was there. It was say.
No?
We rejected, you believe?
Yes, this is a case.
Same case diary,
Yes, lordship.
we rejected.
Yes.
Because he impersonated that he's an employee of a
Yes,
particular
yes.
bank and then taken away money of like.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, 37 days behind the
Doesn't
bar.
matter.
Further custodial information may not require. my lord.
We have considered that.
My lord,
There are
so
2
far
other
the-
accused.
So for the ingredients of the FIR, my lord, that not constitute in the offense of the cheating, my lord. Because, my lord, there must be a transfer of the property, my lord, in order to
We passed
constitute.
necessary order, heard Mr. C.M. Mahanta, counsel appearing for the petition, and Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor to this.
I mean, can it be fixed on some other date, my lord? To consider the
For other
detention,
2
my lord.
for other 2 accused persons, we have already passed the order.
My lord, and next month, my lord, in 6 or 7, my lord, detention, my lord.
Doesn't matter.
Lordship, my lord,
Doesn't
kindly fix such
For
a date.
this Loikhojyoti, we have passed an order and also we have passed, I think so for this.
My lord, let me try to, for detention, my lord, with all respect, my lord. After Diwali, my lord. After Diwali, my lord, on 6th, my lord. Lordship, my lord. On 6th, my lord. On my prayer, my lord. Lordship.
Just a minute.
As per convenient, my lord.
On 7th.
My lord, deeply obliged.
In the prayer of circumcision, on 7th.
34, my lord, you have not received the case there.
Lordship, today, lordship, 91 days, lordship. Its petition is behind the bar, lordship.
Just. That's it, file,
My lord, no, search it not file, my lord.
not file.
Not file, my lord, may I take instruction, my lord?
Do it.
Please, my lord, because today is night.
$26,700.
Yes.
Today is 90 days. Today is
Right.
October 24th. Find out at 2 o'clock.
Today.
Borua.
Like visual receipt. Mandatory period is 60 days, today is 61 days.
POXO 60 days or 90 days.
POXO 8 year, है ना?
POXO 8.
My lord, CD receive, my lord, kindly add to my lord, I go through.
See, today is 60 days.
My lord,
60 days.
yes,
61 days, it is.
yes,
24/8.
my lord.
Where is the arrest memo?
POXO. So.
Section 8 of the POXO, so it will be 60.
Yes,
60
my
days.
lord.
Today is 61 days.
My lord.
Get the information.
Man.
We'll pass the order to.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, since last 18 months, the petitioner is in custody and charges framed, trial already has started. And there are 164 witnesses are to be examined. So one thing is, Lordship, my submission is that whether I have committed offense or not, that will be decided by the learned trial court. But at this stage, the further detention is amount to punishment. So 18 months I'm in the custody, and whatever I had information I had disclosed to the prosecution. Further detention is not at all required, Lordship.
Yes. How many witnesses have been examined?
Lordship, only the informant, victim boy, and the victim guard. And the victim boy are to be cross-examined on the next date, if I'm not wrong. So, Lordship, the speedy trial is the fundamental right of the petitioner. So in that case, the speedy trial is not at all possible because there is a 164 witnesses and only two witnesses are completed and one yet to be completed.
Lords.
Mr. Sharma, I think you should go through the record and tell us.
My lord.
Because though the statement of the informant has been recorded,
Yes.
but what we found, we could not trace out one thing.
Hmm.
The informant got the information from one Zuma cell over phone.
Hmm.
That part is not available in the case.
So, my lord, up to date scan copy maybe.
It is sufficient.
Because,
So,
because in the meantime, my lord, some more witnesses. will be
No, no,
examined.
I am the conducting counsel in Poxo court also. No witnesses are examined.
you go through the records and tell us next week or in the week commencing from court. Okay,
My lord, fix some.
fifth. You go through the records.
Smile.
It's a voluminous record, something.
Yes, yes. The
Can it
charges
be-
are framed on 7/8. Charges are framed on 7/8.
Doesn't matter, but in custody for more than a year.
Yes.
Sorry, charges are framed, Lordship, but it does not mean that I'm an offender. So the charges may be framed on any date. It may not be bound to deny the bail.
Material witnesses have to be examined.
The material witnesses has to be examined, it is true, but at the same time, liberty of the petitioner is also to be considered. The prosecution cannot take 5 years, 6 years to examine the material witness. What is fixed on?
Fifth.
Fifth of
November. My lord, kindly, not on. My lord, not on fifth, my lord. I am.
Can it be little earlier, Lordship?
Okay, my lord, okay. Pass on.
Pass it on.
Fifth November is as you will 22 last 5 September.
Mr. Sharma,
My lord,
only with regard to this petition.
my lord. Yes, ma'am.
When you won?
Upala Bose.
Yes.
Upala Bose.
Why say you not on fifth?
No, on fifth, ma'am. Sorry.
Can it be little earlier, Lordship, in the first?
Oh, you're good. Listen, 5th November, lovely Mr. B. Sharma. Additional to go to the revenue records and make a submission. 56.
Yeah, please, your lordship. FIR is at my lord,
Scan copy was called for that. That is on record. That's it. I have gone through it. Notice to worsen it. Notice to worsen it.
অফিসটা আমি অলরেডি স্টেট হয়েছি অফিসে হয়ে যাবো না
Mr. Hazarika,
Lordship,
no information whether notice has been served on the informant or not.
Lordship, that is the issue. So, Lordship, can it be tomorrow, Lordship? Or at 2 PM also, Lordship.
This is from Hattigaon Police Station.
Yes, at 2 PM, Lordship.
My
In
lord,
that case, we have to appoint someone.
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
my lord, another aspect of the matter which I'd like to place before lordship, my lord. My lord, pension, for his pension case, my lord, a case is also pending before the honorable court, my lord. And my lord, last date, my lord, the government has, my lord, placed before the court, my lord, that pension papers are already ready, my lord. And it needs, my lord, the signature of the petitioner, my lord. And in that regard, my lord, if a lordship considers, my lord, even for a short period, my lord, if the petitioner is, my lord, released, my lord.
Signature can be obtained.
Okay.
Their family members can obtain the signature. For giving a signature, it need not be released. Right?
My lord.
So that can be considered by the appropriate court, not by this. For that, we will not consider at this stage.
Well, already, my lord, petitioner is behind bar, my lord, for more than 1 year, my lord. And trial is already, my lord, going on. And the statement of the victim and her cross-examination and, my lord, statement of the informant and her cross-examination are already over, my lord.
You can consider your bail application.
My lord, my lord.
Only when the notice been duly served on the informant, right?
My lord, my lord. In addition, my lord, I am only stressing, my lord, that his presence is also required, my lord, to sign some papers, my lord, before the department. In
We
addition,
consider that is only when these things,
my lord, my lord,
not at this stage.
my lord.
At 2
Let us,
PM.
this is from Hattigaon at 2 o'clock. Just let us know.
Lordship is asking for tomorrow.
Will not have it
Well, if,
tomorrow.
my lord,
Get
service,
the information, any one of you may be there,
Okay.
because otherwise we might have to engage
Amicus curiae also.
amicus curiae.
Yes, yes.
So let us know.
At 2 PM.
At
Lordship?
2. at two.
Yes, okay.
You have to get the information from Hattigaon Police.
Yes, sir.
Record of you. They will certificate bail application, my lord, record was called for, my lord. My lord, petitioner was arrested on 10/5/2024, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord. My lord, whether succeeded or not, my lord.
This session. Arrested on, my lord, 10/5/2024, my lord, as on date 169 days in custody, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, on 31/5/2024, my lord, charge sheet has been submitted, my lord. After submission of charge sheet also, my lord, I have filed an application before the learned court below, my lord, and that was rejected, my lord. Okay, my lord, as of date, now, my lord, case is in, my lord, evidence stage, my lord. There are, my lord, as many as 9 prosecution witnesses are there, my lord. And on 5/8/2024, my lord, one independent Seja witness was examined, my lord, and he deposed nothing against the petitioner, my lord, and thereafter, my lord, as many as 5 dates has been elapsed, my lord, none of the prosecution witnesses has been turned up for, my lord, examination, my lord. So, my lord, your lordship will find the FIR is at page 14, my lord.
Mr. Sharma, you have not gone through the records.
Well, I have gone through this. First one witness is examined, my lord. This is no?
And I have a copy of my lord, deposition my lord, who has examined my lord after filing of this present bail application, my lord.
Only Caesar witness.
অকল দুজনে এনে এজন আৰু এজন।
How many witnesses have been examined?
Only one exam,
Only one.
witness, my lord, I have given the certified copy, my lord. And if your lordship, my lord, compare the statement before the court and before the police, my lord, complete different version, my lord.
Only one witness.
My lord, only two independent witnesses are there, my lord.
One witness and there is also not material witness, only Caesar witness.
This is the Caesar witness, my lord, prime witness, my lord. Other, only two independent
There is
witnesses are there, my lord.
another Caesar witness, so that's
Lordship,
why.
my lord. Rest are, my lord, official witness, my lord. If your lordship go by the, my lord, Caesar witness, my lord. And my lord, statement before police, my lord, complete different version, my lord. May I take your lordship to page 36 of this petition, my lord. I have annexed the, my
There
lord.
is
statement.
another Caesar witness, let us see.
Yes. And my lord, the case diary is also, my lord, scan copy of the case diary is also there, my lord. Your lordship, to state, my lord, there are sufficient materials against the agent petitioners, my lord.
If your lordship goes by the page 36, my lord, this is the statement of the independent
Just-
witness before police, my lord, page 36, my lord.
Only one independent witness has been recorded.
Only two independent witnesses are there.
The other witnesses are yet to be recorded. And the last occasion when the matter was fixed for evidence, the concerned officer was under training because we know what's training. I've been involved in academy.
Lordship, my lord, here, my lord, after examination of this independent witness, my lord, as many as, my lord, 5 days has been elapsed, my lord. Till then, my lord, none of the witnesses has turned up, my lord. And this witness was examined on, my lord, 5/8/2024, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, matter was fixed on 19/8, my lord. On that date, my lord, none of the witnesses are turned up, my lord. And accordingly, my lord, on 2/9, 17/9, 1/10 and 14/10 also, my lord, none of the witnesses has been, my lord, turned up, my lord. I'll have a look on the, my lord, evidence of the, my lord, PW1, my lord. And my lord, his statement before police, my lord. And as on date, my
You want
already,
that you should take it after later part of November, or you want that we should pass an order?
Lordship, later, my lord, order dispose of, my lord, because it's a long pending case, my lord.
Mr. K. Bulwar and counsel appearing for the petitioner. Petitioners. And Mr. B. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. By this application will be given. Petitioners name is such and such. Son of such and such, resident of such and such. And the East Sana. District Dimapur, Nagaland. And such for the Dimapur district Dimapur. Have prayed for their bail. In sessions case number 32 of it, 2024. Arising out of Khatkati Police Station case number 63 of 2024. Corresponding to GR number 117 of 2024. In which they were arrested on
10/5/2024, my lord.
10/5/2024. Held under sections 399 IPC, 399/506 IPC. Varied section 25 within bracket 1 dash capital within bracket the Arms Act. No, obliquely 25 within bracket 1 dash capital A oblique 35 of the Arms Act have been framed on 10/07/2024. It is also seen from the case record it was called for Please take your seat. By order the 3107/2024. That out of the 9 prosecution witnesses named in the charge sheet of said Khatkote PS case number such and such. Up to 0209/2024. Only one Caesar witness out of 9 given, only one Caesar witness. The evidence of one Caesar witness has been recorded. From the case records, it is seen that on the basis of a specific information received from reliable source on 0905/2024 at 3:03:00 PM that a deal of transaction of huge quantity of suspected narcotic substance would take place at Kairam Bosti, newly constructed 4-lane NH area. Khatkote Police Station GD entry number 05/9/5/2024 was entered into. And on being specially authorized, police personnel from Khatkote Police Station proceeded to the concerned location after preparing an outlet for such deal of the matter. So as to nab the miscreants and to recover the NDPS materials. NDPS items. In the evening around 06:00 PM, one Bolero vehicle bearing registration number NL-07 CB-8179 was intercepted. And one of the occupants from the said Bolero vehicle took out one pistol. But before he could fire, he was overpowered by the police personnel. On gunpoint. On checking the Bolero vehicle, said Bolero vehicle, and the persons boarded in it, one ONA factory made pistol branded as PIEP ROBER. It is number 29 of my underlying. made in Italy bearing multiple features. With 3 numbers of magazine loaded with 43 rounds of live 9mm ammunitions were recovered. With 5 persons on board of the said Bolero vehicle. Namely, right. That includes the petitioners. During the investigation, the record has been suspended. During investigation, it was found by police that the persons slash the miscreants involved in the case had not carried any narcotic drugs, but they had made preparation to commit dacoity, impersonating themselves to be drug sellers, carrying deadly weapons like a pistol. And they had come to the place of occurrence with an attempt to commit dacoity. It is seen from the records that one of the 2 Caesar witnesses, the record of the seen from the record, that evidence of one of the 2 Caesar witnesses have been recorded. Evidence of 2 of the Caesar witnesses, one of the Caesar witnesses out of the 2 have been recorded. And the last 12 code is yet to record the evidence of other 8 prosecution witnesses named in the search sheet of the case. It is also seen that both the petitioners are from the neighboring state of Nagaland. Considering the materials in the relevant records, and their involvement in the alleged crime, the court is of the view that it is not fit case to grant bail to the petitioners who are from Nagaland at this stage, considering the detention from 10/5/2000. And I was saying, 10/5/2024. As trial of the case that was to begin and on the evidence of one of the 9 witnesses has been recorded stands. Specific. Same to next week. Yeah. Simon. Simon.
Ablay.
37.
No, please, Your Lordship. In this case there he was called for, my lord. Sir, not receiving this case, my lord. And we have taken steps, my lord, as per order, my lord. To the office, respond number 3. Not appeared.
Pursuant to the order the 13052024. The concerned investigating officer of Bihuria Police Station case number 184/2023 shall produce the up-to-date case diary on 12th of November. Failing which the said investigating officer have to personally remain present before the court. On the said date, 11. The 12th. The officer in charge of Bihuria Police Station shall apprise the court about the service of notice on the informant respondent number 2 to the public prosecutor Assam. Copy of this order to Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor, for his necessary use. List accordingly on sir. No representation on the petitioner on call. Listen to commencing from 11th of November. Just a minute. I will take my bill. I will take my bill. The name of 3 councils have been looked at in the previous. 58 minutes, okay? 8 minutes. Yes. Mr. Sharma. Is there is available or not?
Not available.
From which police station we should come?
Is my lord Vasishtha.
When the interim order was given. Are you aware?
Yes,
28th of June. Is it intentional or something else? Is Vasishtha is so far that from June to October end, your case diary doesn't receive.
We have communicated 3
Might
times.
have been, that's why I was saying.
3 times.
We have also mentioned earlier. You are appointed by the High Court, you have the authorities, the power. Tell us what to do. If you do not exercise this thing, Mr. Sharma, so if you allow this IO to sit over your head, we don't know. You can understand it if it is from Hailakandi, Karimganj, Dhokwa, you can understand. But from Vasishtha, it is something else. Allowing somebody to be in the interim, it implicates many things.
Only fixed on 28, man.
We don't know up to. None appeared for the petitioners have said. Though names of two councils have been reflected in the cause list. The petitioners are on interim bail in Vasistha PS case number 425/2024 since 28/06/2024, which is extended only up till date, only up to date. Is extended. The date I. তারপর দেখবে non-appeared for the petitioner several officers. List on 13th.
30 man.
1-3. Oh, yeah, it's there.
May, your lordship. Lordship, in this case, lordship, the allegation is FOXO 4, lordship.
Lordship, CD is available. And so far as the notice is concerned, Lordship, just now also we have already sent our intimation. Just now I have also talked with the IO. So he is waiting for some more time.
It was served on the PP on August 2024.
Yes, Lordship. We have already sent
7th
our
of August.
intimation on 12/8, Lordship.
From 12/8,
As per my office instruction, Lordship, they have told us that they have sent the intimation on 12/08/2024. And just now also, personally, I have talked with the IO. So he is praying some more time, whether it is out or not, Lordship. It can be tomorrow also, Lordship.
38/30.
30, Lordship. Organized, my lord.
In the report of the officer in charge of Pokhara police station pertaining to service of notice on the informant. Respondent number 2. Yes, correct. Written the case there.
Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 34.
My lord, Sarsi file, my lord.
Lordship, kindly call for LCR, Lordship.
What's your good name? Or you are-
P. Adhikari.
There any deliberation of the matter? Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor. Submitted that. The authorities in the Manipur police station have already submitted the search in the case. Right, you have the number?
My lord, 104 stroke 2024, my lord, dated 22/10/24.
104.
My lord.
In view of the above, the justice shall call for the records of scan copy of scan legible copy of the records. Manipur Police Station, case number 79/2024. Including the medical. Slash medical report. Medical. From the learned photo blinded special results and the box of. Bongaigaon slash subjudicial magistrate. Bongaigaon. As the case may be. The Manipur case litigation corresponding to GR number 339. Public to you. Okay. We'll stop. 18.
My lord, scan copy all.
They said that the officer in charge of the Manipur police station to the public prosecutor, some shall advise the court on the said the court regarding sir. You are appearing for
Respondent number 2, Lordship.
Yes. My lord, charge sheet not filed, but my lord, I have a prayer, my lord. Kindly look at my lord, section 62 and 64 of BNS, my lord. My lord. The content of the FIR does not fall under 64 and 62, my lord. 62 is abatement, my lord. Okay, sorry, my lord, attempt, my lord, and 64 is rape, my lord. It is registered under, my lord. Case is registered under 62 and 64. FIR is on 15, my lord, page 15, vernacular is.
Sixty-four come. 64 is not there to read the FIR. Mr. Sharma.
Pilot.
Or Mr. and Councilor Karim for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma. Some government secretary paying for the state. But his application in the section 482, 482, BNSS 202. The petition in English such and such. Son of such and such. He lives on Nadi Taravetas in the Panicom police station. Has paid for his bail. In Panicom police station, case number 31, under section 62 of 64 BNS. Section 8 of the PSUS Act. $64 is there.
Yes, madam.
Corresponding to the number 612. In that case, look at 64. How come 64?
My lord.
From the reading of the FIR.
Yes.
Why 64?
Probably it is attempt, my lord. But my lord, it is the institution was is my lord madrasa. And where my lord
That's what
children
I'm
was.
asking. We're saying, how come 64 will come?
Yes. My lord, kindly see my lord 64 to subsection to my lord D. Small d.
64 to
2D, my lord.
Yes.
My lord.
64 2.
2.
Then small
Then
d.
a small d, my lord. Being on the management or on the staff of jail, and then a later part, my lord, there is the timing in force of a woman or children's institution commit rape on any inmates.
After 63.
Then my lord, yes, my lord, that is not there, but my lord, that right, my lord, that is not committed, my lord. As far as my lord, affair is concerned, my lord.
Person to the order at the 12092024. The investigating officer of Panicom Police Station, case number 31 of 2024. Cell. Place the case there. Of Panicom Police Station, case number 31 on the 4th of November. Feeling which the said investigating officer has to personally remain present before this court. Sorry.
Diary received, my lord.
Okay. You have received the diary?
My lord.
29th. The officer in charge of Panicom Police Station shall advise the court regarding service of notice on the informant opposite party number 2. Submission of notice of this bill application. Informant has been list accordingly on 29th. We'll take it up on 29th. Get the information from the OC.
29th.
Lordship has directed us to take the instruction, Lordship. We have received a notice copy that is duly served upon respondent number 2, Lordship.
Duly served.
Yes, Lordship. The records is here, Lordship. If your Lordship wishes to see, Lordship. I
No,
have given it to court.
when it was served,
Lordship, it was served on 17/10/2024. The Lordship may appoint amicus curiae to that.
this application has arisen out of POCSO 2012. The informant opposite party number 2 did not appear in the matter in spite of service of notice. MS such and such on the notice on the informant opposite party number 2 was duly served on 17th of October.
17th of October.
Inspector of Sustainability said opposite party did not appear in the view of the MS judicial mass involvement. Priyanki Das be appointed as the amicus curiae and listed amicus curiae in terms of the notification number 23 that is 18/04/2024 of the legislative court. As copy of such and such, the district center, sub a copy of this application to such and such. On or before 28. The discussion of the name such and such. Because this for the opposite party. We will decide. List on 29th.
Of the instruction.
Short charge sheet submitted in this case, AB minor. And your lordship will find FIR is page 12. First case is also there. My brother also filed a case. Page 12. And except 2. Total 9% named FIR, petitioner is number 1. And allegation that while he was having staying there in the rented house of the informant.
Where was the office note?
Yes.
Dated
Opposite division.
4/10/2024.
Opposite party advocate is.
You are appearing.
Petitioner was a tenant might have someone from 15/12/19 to 2022 in the house of the informant. Thereafter he left on 15/12/22.
Just let us go to the records.
Yes. So only question after about 1 year this FIR, this present petitioner was called by the informant because I was working under the father of the victim. So because of that I was staying there. When I have left the house, then this allegation was made and they called me and some injury was also made thereafter. My brother filed a case prior to this case. And because of that case, this present one was filed. Our case is at page 24, cost case, prior to the present case. And because of money, because some money was due to, that because of this father of the informant. And when I demanded money, this case was lost.
Start होना
ठीक है सर मिस्टर look into it.
Yes, Mr. Parasar, what do you have to say? My lord, girl is 14 years of age. And in her 164 statement, she has clearly implicated, and why the FIR is lately filed, that is also explained out of fear, my lord, he has not disclosed the family members. And now, as per the medical reports also, my lord, age is above 18, above 15, below 16. And last order in the record is, my lord, 20 July 24, fixed on 21/9/24 for appearance. Now my friend has stated that case is fixed on 5/11/24 for appearance, my lord. So, my lord, her statement not it.
No, the appear, my lord, my only appearance was appear, my lord, because the lordship I left 2 years back. Thereafter case was filed. And when it is filed, when they called me, they injured me, we filed a case, page 24, thereafter this case was filed.
But my lord,
And only because paragraph 4, I have details I have given at paragraph 4. How this happened, man. Paragraph 4, man.
but my lord, 164 statement, my lord, she has clearly implicated, I have flag mark, my lord.
No, she was tutored, my lord. She is I have nothing to say about the guard, my lord, because sometimes they are also used by the father or mother, my lord, for their own vested interest. Medical to the assembly.
Medical to দেরি হবে না? Only regarding age.
My question, my lord, let
In the
the
medical,
my lord. discuss the
medical
issue.
report also, my lord, I have such flag mark, my lord, point number 3 and 4, my lord. Medical report, there, my lord, recent and all injury present in the genital parts, my lord. Point number 3 and 4 of the medical report.
They require my presence, my lord. I'm ready to appear, my lord. Only but my apprehension is that my lord may take. That's it. Materials.
That you had committed.
Read it for yourself. First you read one, then two. Next page.
Yes, sir. Next to the,
Written.
that case is under,
Look at the dates. Look at the dates.
22, 23, and 23, 20.
Look at the date of FIR in the present case.
Twenty-three, 20.
Tell us now.
Well, there may be possibility, but regarding while deciding the bail, this present case, if they can prove that case in the trial, that may be,
Now,
but
we have gone through the,
and
just a minute, just.
statement of the girl, 14 years of girl, that also be considered. Immediately, that is, yes. That case registered on 22nd, the subsequently on the 23rd.
Pass on that record. With the next page.
Yes, ma'am. Since
Tell us now.
but he was in their rented house.
That may be. You have seen the other report just now. Now look at the allegation. What do you want to show from the medical?
Yes, since 2019, my lord, he was sick now.
Is it possible? Give us. Give us this. You said something there is in the medical. Where is it? You mark it in that medical report. Whatever you want to, you mark it.
Medical knowledge, yes.
What you want to show, you just take it.
Medical
You want to show something from the medical report, just show us.
flooded medical. And one aspect maybe, my lord, but when she disclosed the matter in the house, my lord, when they disclose the matter, then after knowing the fact, my lord, then Nazrul may be called for. And they torture, my lord. That aspect, my lord, prior to lodging the affair, when the girl,
How this,
since 2019, yes.
considering her statement and this medical report suggests something?
Maybe subsequent to the other, my lord, but one old mark, but 2019, my lord, I don't think so, my lord. 4 years, my lord. 4, 5 years.
That is why this medical report just we have shown.
Yes, my lord.
Just read. Read. Read it. We have another copy. You are saying 3 and 4, right? Recent.
Recent injuries present over the genital, recent penetration or sexual attempt penetration, and all injuries present over the
Recent
genital.
injuries present
Over the genital.
one suggestion. Right?
My lord.
Of what?
So there is, my lord. But
Then all injuries present.
all injuries present over the genital.
Now, if you
Penetration over the
whether it matches with her 164 statement.
164 is of 2019.
Let us see, basically, we are on the basis of these only to
We
consider.
are also, my lord, this medical expert report, my lord, we are also
Right.
last.
But on the basis of her statement,
Her
that's tell us.
Incident as per our statement is 2019. But she is, at that point of time, she may be 10, 11 years old.
11 years old.
11 years old, March 23 years.
Only in March 23 says 14. Or 15 because her date of birth is December 2008.
Yes, my lord. This deposition of 25th of March 23.
The allegation against the petitioner by the victim is that of incident of 2019 or
19. It's absolutely, my lord. But only my one maybe, my lord, in case of my lord,
you put
in
conditions.
case, my lord, that this may not come, but one possibility maybe, my lord, when she disclosed the thing in the before the family members, then the family members may call Nazrul and torture him.
When they are in torture, not called here.
When they are in torture.
Third. Mr. H.L. Chaudhary, Lanet Senior Counsel.
Call.
Yes, what do you have to say, Mr. Rana?
Already, my lord, you have gone through the record, lordship. Because it there, my lord, and I only anticipatory, my lord, mistake, my lord. That may hamper, my lord, Dal is not 14 years. Otherwise, my lord, your lordship has gone to the record, my lord. So I will leave your lordship.
When is the next date?
5/11.
5/11/2024 for APR.
Assisted by Mr. as counsel appearing for the petition. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma and additional.
Take a part.
Oh, sorry, okay, Professor, I recently have the possibility of hearing for this opposite party number state, Mr. A.K. Rana, right?
Yes, Ram.
S. Rana, learned council for the informing opposite party number. His photo. By his application under section 43 of the BNS to the BNSS 2023. The petition and the such and such, son of such and such of Agum. Agum. Under Soigam Police Station, District Kamruk. All this application seeking PRS bail. In connection with sessions of the special case number 105 of the 2024. Under section 4 of the PCS Act. Arising out of lawsuit case number 85 of 2023 under section 354 of 317 and 506 of the IPC. Related section 4 of the POCS Act. Apprehending his arrest. Will say. Session of the Brigade Special Case number 1. Person to be by order the 30/08/2024. The cook all for the records of sale. Special session within the special case number 105 of the 2024 in the Court of London. Special judge within the box of Kamruk. Metro Party. Where was the records of the case? The affair of the case was lost by the mother of the victim on 23/03/2022. Alleging that the petition who was her tenant from 2019 to 15/12/2022 sexually assaulted her minor daughter at about 14 years. In her absence, while during his stay as a tenant in her house, threatening her daughter, either victim of dire consequences if she reveals such incident to others. It is also stated by the informant that the victim informed about the incident to them only when the accused petitioner left her residence. Peruse the statement of the victim recorded under section 164, recorded on 25/03/2023 under section 164 CRPC, in which she stated that the accused petitioner that the accused petitioner sexually assaulted her in one morning in the year 2019. You have also seen the medical report of the victim. Dated 24/03/2023. The note of the concerned investigating officer dated 20, we have also perused the note of the concerned investigating officer of the case dated 24/03/2023. The case record also reveals that police, after investigating the matter, on 23, no, on 22/07/2023, submitted the search sheet with case number 131 in Said Gorsuk PS case number 85/2023 against the petitioner, accused petitioner. Under section 4 of the PSO Act. The learned The learned trial, learned special just POCSO, Kamrup Metro Guwahati. On 10/4/2024. To cognizance of the offence under section 4 of the PSU against the petition. And issued summons to him. In said sessions within the special case number 105/2022. It is submitted in that 05/11/2000, the accused petitioner on 25/06/2024 20/07/2024 thereafter appeared took time for appearance before the learned special POCSO judge in said special sessions within bracket special bracket close case number 105/2023. By taking necessary steps. And the next date of his appearance in the matter, and in appearance, the next date of his appearance is fixed on 05/11/2024. Considering the materials, the court referring itself for granting 3 years bail to the petitioner in said session special case number 105/2024, for which the appearance is fixed on 05/11/2024. Making it clear that the petitioner on his date of appearance before the learned special judge POCSO, I on such and such, shall file an appropriate application for his bail in such and such. And in the event of filing such bail application by the petitioner before the learned special POCSO judge in said sessions within bracket special case number 105/2024, arising out of Gorsuk PS case number 85/2023. The learned special judge, after considering the materials on record, shall consider the bail application of the petitioner in accordance with law. With the above observation, this pre-arrest bail application of the petitioner in said session special case number 105/2024, arising out of Gorsuk PS case number 85/2023, stands closed. We are not interfering at this moment. The reason is the fix on 5/11. We have indicated whatever is there in the order, everything. And so.
But the other part, my lord.
Everything, don't worry. So the court will pass the necessary, special court will pass the necessary.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Mr. Sharma, Mr. Boyle.
44 मतलब 7 से 6 Charge sheet number 98/24, dated 8/10/24.
Against the petitioner,
My lord, that is not reflected in the signal. ইমানটা আছে দেখতে একটু বেশি আছে
you are Mr.
Only one
Only one
accused,
accused.
Your Lordship.
You are Mr. Dekar.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. S. Dekar, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. K. K. Parasar and additional public prosecutor appearing for the opposite party. Sorry, respondent number 1. By this application in section 438 CPC and 482 BNSS 2023 petition on namely Mr. Nath, son of such and such, resident of village Bamonijan, Pulihamari, the Raha police station Raha, district Nagaon, is seeking to arrest bail in Raha police station case number 86/2024. Under section 354/354, the bracket capital A, IPC, Revit section 8 of the PCS Act. Arising out of Sapormuk PP, GD and Sapormuk Police Post, GD entry number 347, dated 25/06/2024. Corresponding to GR number 1413 of 2024. During deliberation of the matter, Mr. Parasar and the prosecutor submitted that police, after investigating the matter, submitted a search sheet in said Raha police station case number 86/2024, filed CS number 98/2024, dated 08/10/2024. In view of the above, petitioner directed the approach the appropriate forum for his bail in said such and such case number 5. However, happy case failure. Their assistance.
God bless you.
Yes.
CD available.
Notice, sir. You are appearing?
Yes.
For the informant?
Yes, not for the informant, Your Lordship. I'm the mother of the victim, Your Lord.
Informant is from Oman police person, madam. Those are accepted now. Arvind,
Burua. We have underlined, please take your seat, some underlined portion, find out.
My lord.
Heard Mr. S. Rahman, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. K. K. Parasel and additional procedure appearing for the slate. Also heard Mr. A. M. Khan, learned counsel for the mother of the informant, mother of the victim. Yes, what do you have to say? No, asking you.
My lord, now, my lord, person has been changed within 161, my lord.
They're sensing their right? Yes, Mr. Khan.
Here in your lordship, in 13 years old, your lordship, guard was raped and subsequently he was administered medicine, your lordship. And resultantly, the
1311.
Steps already have been taken, man. Yeah, I think.
For the up-to-date
Oh,
case
my God.
relating to Suksar PS case numbers. Case number. This is Sarsit submitted or what?
Yes, sir, scan copy call for me, yes.
Yes.
Okay, we'll call for the records of. Just
Scan copy call, my lord.
Special case number 78. Okay. Special
for-
just house only.
Scan legible copy of the records of
The
special case number 78/2024
Arising out of.
arising out of
Suksar
Police
PS
Station case number 199/2023 from the Court of Learned Special Judge Oxo
Also.
South Salmara Mankachar / Chief Judicial Magistrate South Salmara Mankachar and Secretary along with the case diary and medical report of the victim pertaining to Suksar PS case number 199/2023.
I mean,
On the same date, the officer in charge of Suksar Police Station shall apprise through the public prosecutor Assam shall apprise the court about the service of notice on the informant opposite party number 2 pertaining to this pre-arrest bail application in said Chuksar PS case number such and such.
Earlier, my God.
It won't come, that's what, let it be like a.
49
CD
not received. CD not received, madam.
Guragaon.
20B of NDPS. madam.
Eleventh.
11.
Case the unit of Guragaon PS case number as directed earlier on 17092024, failing which the concerned investigating officer of Guragaon PS case number 59 of it has to personally eliminate people on the same day. Copy of disorder already. Yes, next. This is bail application.
If you have case receipt,
Yes,
case receipt.
other materials against the petition.
My lord, materials, my lord, the contraband was seized from some other person, my lord. But he said, my lord, that he has taken the, my lord, that item from this present petitioner, my lord. And my lord, not only that, my lord, some several persons, my lord, my lord, procured drugs from him, from the present petitioner. Present petitioner is, my lord, that locality, my lord, was a seller of narcotic drugs.
What's your good name, ma'am?
21 is. 1.11 from this.
21A.
It is recovered from, my lord, one Hibzur Ali. Hibzur Ali said, my lord, that he is a drug addict, my lord. মই ৰংপুৰীয়া গাঁৱৰ ৰূপকবৰৰ পৰা 1 গ্ৰাম মান ড্ৰাগছ 16,100 টকাত কিনি মোৰ FZ বাইকখনেৰে আহি এনমেলত ফাদাৰ মোৰ বাহিৰে আৰু বহুতো লোকে তাৰ পৰা ড্ৰাগছ আনে।
Okay. RMS Google Council. And Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor Assam for the state by this application, Lekibo. Bora, son of such and such, resident of village such and such, under not looking the police station is paid for this pre-arrest bail under section 482 BNSS 203, seeking in such and such, not looking for PS case number such and such, under section such and such, corresponding to GR case number such and such. It is seen from the affair of the case dated 25062024. Sorry, 24062024. And that on the basis of a reliable information received from one Sub-Inspector of Police on 24062024. One Muhammad Hibzur Ali, Hibzur Ali, was coming from Sutiakari village, Chutiakari village, to delivery heroin, to another unknown person. He was apprehended. Such and such. GD entry was made in the North Lakhimpur police station by GD entry number 18 dated 24062024. Later, with due authorization, police personnel of North Lakhimpur Police Station apprehended the said Muhammad Hizbur Ali in front of a grocery shop of Dev Krishna Das of Sutiar Kari village. During search, seven numbers of plastic container containing suspected heroin, one Oppo smart mobile, cash of ₹80, and one Yamaha FZ bike registration number AS07S-0699 was recovered from the possession of the petitioner. And such suspected heroin was of 1.11 gram without the containers. Accordingly, said Hizbur Ali was arrested on 25/06/2024. Mr. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor, has placed the case diary pertaining to said such and such case number. The case diary reveals that the arrested accused person and many other drug addicts and involved in such drug business of drug liquor, NDPS items, are procuring drugs from the present petitioner. Considering such incriminating materials available in the case diary, the court is of the view that it is not a fit case to grant pre-arrest bail to the petitioner, namely such and such, inside such and such. Accordingly, will pay the petitioner in such not looking for PS case number such and stands rejected. Return the case diary. Yes, next.
If you are my lord, we have not received the case diary. If the notice was also.
You have received the case diary. What about the notice?
No, not received the case diary.
You have not received?
No, not received.
Bipuria.
My lord.
Pursuant to the order dated 26/09/2024. The concerned investigating officer of Bipuria PS case number 140/2024 shall produce the up-to-date case diary on 13/11, along with the 164 statement of the victim and her medical report. Full stop. On the said that the officer in charge of Bipuria Police Station shall also, through the public prosecutor, Assam shall apprise the court about the service of notice of this application, the informant opposite party number 2. Already, copy of this order for his necessary. Yes.
It also on a same time, we will not receive the case diary.
You have not taken steps.
Yes, I have served the copy to the DP, madam.
You cannot do that. You have to give it to the registry.
But order reflects, my lord,
On that day itself, I have started.
It has to be through the registry as per the notification. You cannot do it directly. Anyway. Same date for it, 13. Person to be ordered is at 8/10/2024. Silsar PS case number 827/2024. Same order. Okay. Copy of this order to Mr. V. Sharma for a decision. Yes, next. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, that the instruction was sought for regarding whether any FIR has been registered or not. To that effect, I have given the report of it to the court master.
No. You have the case diary?
Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, ma'am, what do you have to say? He received notice, he appeared, his
Lordship.
statement has been recorded.
Lordship, he has not, perhaps not appeared before the IO. He has not appeared, Lordship. But Lordship, I'm sorry, his statement is there, but in the last note of the IO, Lordship.
That's what is very surprising.
Yes,
The
that
notice,
is surprising,
mentioned,
Lordship.
it is,
35 pre-notice has been issued to him, but there is a note from the IO.
the note of the IO, I don't know where from it has come.
Yes, Lordship.
But
that-
on 15/7/2024, it is very clear
Yes,
that in the note of the IO,
Lordship.
প্ৰকাশ থাকে যে যোৱাকালি এই মোকৰ্দমাৰ অভিযুক্ত পদকীয়া গৰাকীক ফোন যোগাযোগ কৰি থানালৈ আহিব কোৱা মতে উক্ত পদকীয়া গৰাকী থানাত আহি উপস্থিত হয়।
Lordship.
সেয়েহে এতিয়া মই এই মোকৰ্দমাৰ অভিযুক্ত পদকীয়া গৰাকীক মোকৰ্দমা সংক্ৰান্তে সোধপোছ কৰিবৰ বাবে যত্নবান হলো।
Yes,
এতিয়া মই অভিযুক্ত পদকীয়া গৰাকীক থানাতে লগ পাই মোকৰ্দমা সংক্ৰান্তত সোধপোছ কৰি BNSS 180 ধাৰা মতে তেওঁৰ জবানবন্দী পৃথকভাৱে মোকৰ্দমা পঞ্জীৰ লগত গাঁঠি ৰাখিলো।
yes,
So
Lordship.
he appeared.
And in the
আচ্ছা,
last,
then the next note.
yes,
প্ৰকাশ থাকে যে পদকীয়াৰ জবানবন্দীৰ পৰা জানিব পাৰে যে গোচৰণীয়ে তেখেতৰ মাজত চাহ চিনাকি হোৱাৰ পাছত ভাল ফ্ৰেণ্ডশ্বিপ হয় আৰু তাৰপিছত তেওঁ গোচৰণীৰ ভাড়া ঘৰত মাজে সময়ে যায়। আৰু এই বিষয়ে মই থানাৰ সৈতে মহোদয় কৰোঁ এই গোচৰ ৰুজু হোৱাৰ ধাৰাসমূহৰ পানিছমেণ্ট 7 বছৰৰ কম হোৱাৰ বাবে থানাৰ ভাৰপ্ৰাপ্ত বিষয়া মহোদয়ে তেখেতক গ্ৰেপ্তাৰ কৰিবলৈ নিদি BNSS 35(3) নোটিছ দিবি পৰামৰ্শ দিয়াত এতিয়া এই গোচৰৰ অধিকাৰীক নোটিছ দিলো। He appeared,
yes,
his statement was recorded.
yes.
So tell us.
But in the last page of the case diary, he has again noted that he has not appeared, Lordship. That is what.
He appeared
Yes,
when he was
statement
called to the
recorded.
police station
Yes,
on 15/7. Right?
right.
And then 35(3) was notice issued
Yes,
after recording of his statement.
yes.
And Kesari doesn't reflect anything about the neighbors making any statement in that regard.
Yes,
One thing we found is he did not state that she was working in a pharmacy.
Lordship.
It is also not there.
Hmm.
Okay. You appear before the IO on a 38. 50,000 to local security, one of which will be a government employee. We'll retain the case there for some time. We'll give it to you tomorrow.
Lordship.
Okay.
Will appear before the IO.
On 38, on or before 38.
Briefly of it.
Oh, nice.
Visual DD. Time doesn't allow us, right?
My lord, I'm extremely sorry.
Doesn't matter. When will you have it? Tell us. When?
Lordship, can it be on a date to be fixed after 10th of November, Lordship, 11 or 13, Lordship?
Fourteenth,
Lordship.
on 14th. The priority concept for the parties. Visual DD. That was at the